Welcome to Module 5, Hands-On with LangChain Agents. In this session, we roll up our sleeves and move from theory to real implementation. By the end of this module, you'll know how to set up LangChain, create a React-based agent, integrate tools like search and file readers, use memory modules, and understand how LangChain's Agent Executor actually works. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up LangChain. Before we can build anything, we need to set up LangChain in our development environment. Here's what you'll need. Python installed, an OpenAI API key, LangChain installed via pip. Optionally, Face or Chroma for vector databases. The command to install LangChain is pip install LangChain OpenAI. You might also want to install extra tools like pip install FaceCPU tick token. Once installed, import the required modules and you're ready to go. LangChain is modular, so you can pick only what you need. No bloat, just clean, agentic design. Step 2. Creating a simple React agent. Let's now build your first LangChain agent, a React agent. React stands for reasoning plus acting. This agent doesn't just respond. It thinks, plans, and then acts step by step. How does it work? 1. The agent is given a goal. 2. It reasons. What should I do next? 3. It acts by using a tool. Then it repeats until the task is complete. LangChain provides an initialize_agent method that helps you set this up with just a few lines of code. Here's the basic idea. From LangChain.agents import initialize_agent tool. From LangChain.LLMs import OpenAI. LLM equals OpenAI. Temperature equals 0. Tools equals your underscore to underscore list underscore here. Agent equals initialize_agent. Tools LLM agent underscore type equals 0 shot React description. Boom. You have an intelligent agent ready to use. Step 3. Toolkits and tools integration. LangChain comes with pre-built toolkits and also allows you to make your own. Let's talk about the common tools. Search tool lets your agent Google things. Calculator tool helps with math problems. File reader tool reads PDFs, text files, CSVs, etc. You can create custom tools like this. From LangChain.agents import tool, def simple underscore tool underscore func, input, return f process, input, my underscore tool equals tool, name equals simple tool, func equals simple underscore tool underscore func, description equals just processes input. Tools are the hands and feet of your agent. They turn it from a chatbot into a doer. You can integrate APIs, scripts, Python functions, databases, basically anything that helps your agent accomplish tasks. Step 4. Memory integration. What's a smart agent without memory? LangChain supports both. Short-term memory, using conversation buffer memory or chat message history. Long-term memory, using vector stores like FSS Chroma or Pinecone. You can set up chat memory like this. From LangChain.memory, import conversation buffer memory. Memory equals conversation buffer memory. And for vector databases. From LangChain.vector stores import face. From LangChain.embeddings OpenAI import OpenAI embeddings. DB equals face.load underscore local. My underscore vectors. OpenAI embeddings. Memory lets the agent remember previous interactions, recall facts, and behave more human-like. Step 5. Understanding agent executor flow. Now let's understand how it all works behind the scenes. When you run an agent in LangChain, here's what happens. Input is received. The LLM is asked, what should I do? The LLM selects a tool and generates an action. The action is executed. The result is fed back to the LLM. This loop continues until the goal is achieved or time runs out. This is called the agent executor loop. LangChain handles this automatically for you, but you can intercept, debug, or customize it as needed. It's a powerful abstraction that lets your agent act with purpose, not just respond blindly. So far in this module, we've installed LangChain, built a basic React agent, integrated tools like search and file reader, added memory modules, understood how the agent loop runs behind the scenes. You're now ready to build fully functional, smart, tool-using agents with LangChain. That wraps up Module 5, your hands-on guide to LangChain agents. In the next module, we'll take things even further by building a multi-agent system, where agents communicate and collaborate just like a team. Headphones see you in Module 6. The future of AI teamwork awaits.